Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2016 16 plate Vauxhall Corsa SRi. Now obviously the SRi is the sportier looking model, so you get a more pronounced front and rear bumper, nice sort of lower diffusers, a nice set of alloy wheels, and then inside a slightly sportier interior. Now this car's also got privacy glass, we've got colour matching alloy wheels, so those are the 16-inch 4 twin spoke alloys finished in gloss black. The car itself is finished in sapphire black, which is a lovely metallic paintwork which gleams in the sunshine. This is a 1.4, so very nice on insurance, in some cases actually cheaper on insurance than the 1.2s, so if you're a new driver it's always worth getting a quote. Looking at the boot, obviously you've got a nice size luggage space. Looking through to the bottom, you've got added storage down there, and then looking through even further down you'll find your tyre inflation kit. But nice specification. So coming through to the driver's side, inside is a lovely charcoal cloth sport seat which is in nice order throughout. So inside, I've photographed the vehicle. It doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, it doesn't smell like it's ever had any pets inside. Looking at the actual seats themselves, they're in nice order, so no signs of any sort of rips, tears, discoloration. Looking at the actual bolsters, they're in nice order as well. Looking through to the back, we've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats, 3 seat belts, so seating for free. Looking through to the door cards, cloth trim follows through. We've got our black detailing all the way throughout the vehicle. Electric front windows, electric mirrors. Inside we're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, voice command, all of our volume and media controls, full onboard computer. So as we're doing this video today, this vehicle's only covered 51,662 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then coming through to the centre display, nice SRi sporty styling. So we've got this red strip that runs all the way through the dashboard. We've got our city steering, which is fantastic if you are driving round town. Central locking. Clicking through to the home button, we've got this nice big touchscreen, so pressing through to audio, it's a full DAB radio with all the extended channels. Clicking through to gallery, you can get your photographs on there. Full Bluetooth phone connection, you've got projection as well, so basically connect your phone via the USB and it mimics what's on your phone onto the screen. Settings on there as well. Climate control with air conditioning. We've got a USB down there, obviously 12-volt power outlet, 5-speed manual transmission, and then we've got this nice red stitch all throughout the vehicle, so on the seats, on the handbrake, the gear shifter, the steering wheel, and then on the dashboard. So nice sporty styling. They do drive really well, these cars. I remember my first car was a Corsa 1.2 and it drove absolutely spot on. In my case, my insurance was actually lower than a 1 litre or a 1.2, so it was a win-win. We've got LED daytime running lights as well. Smart looking cars, these. So if you'd like any further information on the car, you can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily book you in. So if you'd like anything further, like a personalised video, more images, or you just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. We'll happily do that for you. I always recommend having a look at our reviews. So on Auto Trader we are a 5-star dealer. We've got just under 500 5-star reviews, which are all from verified buyers, so people who've actually dealt with us and bought from us. If you go through to our Facebook page, you'll see happy customers who've travelled the distance to collect the cars, you'll see the numerous awards that we've won over the years, and you'll see the level of stock that we carry here at Alpha Motors. So, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to your inquiry.